Hi everyone, today I am going to do a boxing from Eva's Bows and Craft Supplies, and Holly has kindly gifted me some of her brand new ribbon as well, so it's a surprise to me as well as you. I do know what most have ordered, but not everything. So I did order myself another pack of 50 disposable face masks because I still wear mine, obviously, as I'm going about my day, you know, when I'm like travelling, because I use a lot of public transport, so I like the disposable ones. And then there is some rubber in here that I did order, and then, like I said, there is some ones that Holly has kindly supplied. So these ones, which is the, oh, look how pretty these are. So I've got these in the royal blue, the red and the green in the 3-inch version. I've not seen this in the 3-inch yet, so I'm looking forward to that. That'd be really pretty. I've got some ideas in mind for that one actually. So that is one of the freebies that Holly has sent me kindly. Just move this out of the way. There's quite a lot of ribbon there. And then she's also sent it me in the 1-inch ribbons, and I've got that in the light blue, the green and the royal blue. So there's those colours in 1-inch ribbon. It's always exciting when I get new stuff. And then this is 2-inch versions as well. I don't often buy 2-inch ribbon. I've been doing more tutorials with it though, so... Oh, look at this one. This pretty marbly effect. And then obviously more of the gingham hearts one. Look how cute this little bee one is. How fun's that one? So that's some. Ooh. And I think this is all new to Holly's at Eva's Bows and Craft Supplies. So more 3-inch. Again, this is all the freebies. So thank you so much. I do appreciate it. So we've got that in the 3-inch. We've got the bee in the 3-inch. I've got some Halloween. Look how pretty this one is. And it's a really nice pattern repeat as well. So when you do your tux bow, you can work out which bit of the design you want to show. Let me just do. It's not a very neat pinch, but you'll see. So you can work out where you want people to see the patterns. So that's really nice. And then I've got this cute Santa gnomes. Oh, and look, they've all got different things. So it's candy cane, a gingerbread man and a present. And again, let's try and make it into a pinch. It's not a bad one for pattern repeats either. So they're really pretty. And I've got quite a lot of that. I've got at least like 3 meters. I'm not very good at iron when I'm... And then I believe these, yes, these are the ones I ordered. So I wanted some of these rose prints and the galaxy ones. Look, like the marbly effects. And that's like in the yellow and the like mint colours. And then I ordered some more rose prints because I'm recreating some of my old tutorials to do some picture tutorials, so I needed specific colours. So I ordered it in the pink, the rainbow, the blue and like the lilac. And then I ordered these ones in the 1.5-inch ribbon. So again, got the roses. This is one of my favourite rose designs. This super cute Dreamcatcher one. And then the matching like marble effect for that. And then I've got more marble effect because obviously you know what I'm like when I have the thing. So I got this one. I think this one's marshmallow. And then I got the pink version and the white and gold with the silver and like the purpley blue versions of that. And then this is some more free ribbon, and I think this is mostly Halloween. Oh no, there's the gnome version and the blue hearts gingham. It's like a wider version. Traditional version. Yeah. So this is the more traditional one that I got from Joe. This one is like a wider, the like gingham's just a little bit wider. So it's really, really pretty. And then, like I said, more of the gnomes. And this super cute Halloween ribbon in the 2-inch versions. So I'm really looking forward to playing with all of this. And like I said, I can't say thank you enough to Holly for sending me some extras, even though she doesn't have to. So there we go. And like I said, she's got quite a few new prints and things like that on the website. And she quite often does little deals. Like I got 15% off what I ordered myself, because she had like a little rainy day sale for everyone. So like I said, if you join her group, she always has like little offers on that, like that for her regular customers. So go and have a look and see what you find. She does other things. She does like the leatherettes and bits and pieces like that as well. Obviously I'm just more ribbon focused with a majority of my tutorials. So hopefully you enjoyed watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.